let's talk about differentiation by first principles. So what that means is essentially it's like the definition of differentiation, which means it's a really long-winded process. But essentially it says that the limit as h approaches 0 of f(x minus h minus f of x over h should be equal to the differentiation. So let's see. So what essentially that means is if we let this equal f of x, then wherever we see x minus h, sorry, f should be x plus h. So x plus h, we plug it into wherever we see x. So what that means is that the limit as h approaches 0 of 5x plus h squared minus 5x squared over h, or
if we expand this out, that should become 5x squared plus 10xh plus 5h squared minus 5x squared over h.
Now we can cancel 5x squared and 5x squared from both sides, so we get 10xh plus 5h squared over h. Well, we can cancel h from both of these to get, so it becomes 10x plus 5h. However, it's the limit as h approaches 0, so that means we just plug in 0 for every h. So that becomes just 0, so the answer is 10x. And if we notice that if we just differentiate 5x squared normally, we would bring the power to the front. So that's 10x, and then subtracted by 1, so it would just be 1. So that is equal to 10x. And that's essentially what differentiation by first principles means.